Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. My name is Perry. I'm part of the sales team here. We're going to go through a brief walkthrough of this 2019 Sea Ray 270 sundeck. So we'll start here at the back of the boat, powered by your white Mercury 300 horsepower outboard. We've got SDX back here on this one platform. So under here is all storage, so you can put this up for a little leg support, or you can drop it down and be a nice sun pad. So you see you got USB ports for charging your phone, as well as drink cups in the back. You've got a ski pylon here, as well as up in the tower you have a wakeboard attachment. So as you come into the boat, you'll see here you have a wash down pull out, an insulated cooler for some of your drinks, and then here's a nice pull out for, say, you're getting on a fixed pier, as well as a sink located right when you get into the cockpit. So as you come in, you'll see it's really nice matching. You got the dune interior with the sand colored sea deck, and then as well as the tan infinity colored. It's not carpet, so it won't mat down as much as a carpet would in the past. So you've got your battery charger. It's located right when you get in the boat. You can turn the boat on from right here. You got storage all around the cockpit. Nice blue LED lights when this boat is turned on at night. Floor storage right beneath my feet. You can get a cockpit table put in here. And then so when you're running the boat, these are going to be back so you can look forward. And when you're on the hook or you're docked, you can bring these forward. And then it's a very large, nice, open, social space. So moving up here to the helm, you got a nice tilt steering wheel. You've got trim tabs, of course, some more phone charging ports. You've got a SIMRAD display, which will be your chart plotter, as well as depth gauge. And it shows all your engine information as well. Fusion stereo headset here. And then you got a nice large head with sink, or you can use that for storage. And then up here in the bow, you'll see you can get more floor storage here. You've got armrests that'll go down. You can put a nice cockpit table up there in the bow as well. And what's really nice about these storage seats right here is these double hinges. So maybe on some other boats it wouldn't have that, and there'd be a lot of rubbing going on. So when you put that, they're nice and sturdy. Insulated boxes here for your drinks up front. So that'll last you very long. And the last thing up in front, of course, you get off the bow at the beach, you have a nice another spray out attachment up front. A boarding ladder for the beach. So if you'd like to know some more information, again, my name is Perry, and this is the 2019 Sea Ray 27 sundeck. And come on down or give us a call. Thank you.